Welcome. Diffusion is a very important process that usually occurs in everyday life activities, such as if you look at the spreading of the perfumes or spray. It's because of diffusion. The exchange of gases, which is carbon dioxide and oxygen, is also because of diffusion. So in this video, we are going to look at diffusion, then factors that may affect the rate of diffusion, and how to determine which gas diffuse at a faster rate than the other one. So let's read through the question. The following experiment was set up to investigate factors that affect the rate of diffusion in gases. During the experiment, a cloud of white smoke was seen as the ammonia gas NH3 and hydrogen chloride gas HCl reacted. So the first question is define the term diffusion. So say this is the movement of particles. From the region of high concentration to a region of lower concentration. We move on to now question B. Which of the particles for ammonia or hydrochloric acid will move faster? So now, what is the best way of knowing the gas that will diffuse at a faster rate? Because sometimes it may be so challenging if you are to commit this to memory. For example, ammonia travels faster than hydrochloric acid. Now, will commit this point be a success? No. So the best way to know this one is find the molar mass. So begin with ammonia. So ammonia has a chemical formula of NH3. So if you are trying to find the mister, you use the periodic table. So nitrogen has the mass number of 14, then the atomic number of 7. Hydrogen has the mass number of 1, the atomic number of 1. So mister is equal to, so N multiplied by the number of atoms for N in 1 molecule of ammonia. So here there is only 1, multiplied by 1 plus then hydrogen times the number of atoms 3. Right, so the mass number for nitrogen is 14, multiplied by 1 plus hydrogen is 1 times 3. 14 by 1 is 14 plus 3, giving us 17. So molar mass is equal to 17 grams per mole. We move on to HCl. So the chemical formula is this one. Hydrogen with the mass number of 1, the atomic number of 1, chlorine, mass number of 35.5, the atomic number of 1. So you can now find the mister. So say hydrogen times the number of atoms, which is 1 here. So if the number is given, it simply means you are multiplying by 1. I mean, if the number is not given. So hydrogen has a mass number of 1 times 1 plus 35.5 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 35.5 times 1 is the same, which is giving us 36.5. Therefore, molar mass is equal to 36.5 grams per mole. So to simplify the concept here is that if you want to determine the gas that travels faster, first find the molar mass. Then the one with the lowest molar mass is the one that will travel faster, because it simply means that ammonia is lighter than hydrochloric acid. So since this one is lighter, then it will be able to move faster. And remember, the ammonia is moving in this direction, then the hydrochloric acid is moving in this direction. So the ammonia will travel faster in such a way that the two gases may meet at this point. So you can see that the distance from the source of ammonia to the point of reaction is greater than the distance from the source of HCl to the point of reaction. So that's the concept here. Then which of the particles? So the answer here is ammonia. So I don't want you to just commit this one to memory. I'm saying you can use this concept of finding the molar mass to determine the gas that will travel faster, regardless of the gas that you are given. Then question C1, at which point A to D along the tube T will the white cloud seen? So the white cloud is the ammonium chloride. So the ammonium chloride is the product that will produce when the ammonia reacts with the HCl. So this simply means which point would you expect the two reactants to collide so that they produce the white cloud. So we can say between C and D. So between C and D. Explain your answer. So say because ammonia is lighter and would cover the greatest distance. Alright, then we'll move on to D. State question 1, the factor that affects the rate of diffusion in the experiment above. So here we can just say size of the particle, which is mass. So it is the mass. Then safety precaution you would take when carrying out the experiment. This one. So by making sure of using goggles and mask, because the ammonia is a poisonous gas and we trying to prevent that gas from entering our mouth. So that's a concept that we can use. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.